Good morning, guys. It's a bad morning, guys, because our quail was uh, died because of our cage was somebody leave open the door, and the problem is they only live like this. Then the predator come here inside, then we have poor mortality. It's a very sad morning, guys. They kill my poor quail bird, guys. See this? Because somebody, when I leave this area yesterday, I checked very carefully, and the cage was already closed. I don't know why. When I come this morning, guys, the door was already lifted up, and the problem is they go inside and they kill this four. It's already more than 3/4. Very sad, guys. So I hope we will fix the door later, guys. I need to go home because I will take my tools, and now I will ask my father. Maybe somebody was come here to take egg. Huh? Onde?